S&P 500. This is the futures contract, ESU 2024. It's the September contract. And the week that has closed off, we have seen a significant sell-off in comparison to all the other weeks, similar to the sell-off that we've seen in April. Now the question is this going to repeat? Is this going to be a similar scenario to April? Are we going to have 3 or more significant down close candles to the downside? And if we do, where are we going to aim for? Now, we'll take things one step at a time. This week, what we've seen is, first and foremost, I don't really need. Oh no. I guess for the time being, nah, fuck it. So as we can see, we've got the most recent lows, poached, highs, and this is where we are at currently. If we zoom out from the 3 down close candles to the rally to the upside, if you were to use the Fibonacci to figure out where equilibrium is located at, hey, guess where it's located at? It's located at a recent PD array, which is the order block for these 3 down close candles. See how funny how it all lines up? Let's make this a bit more accurate. 71 and a quarter. Lows 20. And look at how this makes sense. 3 down close candles. This was an inside trading week. Prior week, we got buy stops taken, failed to take the lows out. Buy side imbalance, sell side inefficiency, highs taken, rally back down to the downside, order block, buy stops taken with this one candle here, continuation to the upside, down close candle. Now you'd want to see this down close be respected. Now in the short term, what I would want to do is map this area out as if we get a break. This is the last down close candle before we saw continuation to the upside. So what I'd want to see is, I mean, we're still yet to meet the open of this down close candle. So 539.5. But then we've got a massive drop to equilibrium, I'll be honest. I mean, there's a lot of imbalances in price, or there's a lot of, but there's not really actually. There's one imbalance in price in the premium, which you could get down into. But the first point of interest would be the 539.5 region. Having a look at it from a weekly perspective. On a daily time frame, and bearing in mind, last week, this is what I was looking out for. I was looking out for this last week. Especially when it was around this area here, I was expecting a sell-off into this region here, not knowing that if we were to get the sell-off, we were just going to absolutely drop like a rock. And we literally dropped like a rock. What we got was this volume imbalance, respected, sold off, shifted market structure, and we traded into this area. And this volume imbalance, I remember this volume imbalance because I remember, was it 3 weeks ago? Let's see. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, 1 month ago. 1 month ago, I was looking out for this volume imbalance and I got it completely. I didn't get it completely wrong because we did get a sell-off close to the area that I was looking out for, but we never really got it. So that 5502 in the quarter, I'm looking out for that going into next week. So if we get rejected, so if we fail at the weekly order block, which is at the 538 region, why are these fucking thing annoying me, man? Sorry, one sec. Oh yeah, that feels good. Turn the fan on. That feels amazingly good, actually. Yeah, so as I was saying, if we do get that rejection from this area here, and we fail, I'm looking at this volume imbalance that I was having a look at from 4 weeks ago. And this is on a daily time frame, so there we go. So what we could get is a relief rally into the discount array, buy side imbalance, sell side inefficiency, and a continuation into 538. But I'm looking at this overall volume imbalance. I'll be honest, guys, this volume imbalance, I do believe it's going to get filled. I don't believe it's going to be a run and sell stops. But we just have to wait and see how Sunday and Monday open. But I'm looking it's looking very saucy to the downside, should I say. I'm going to delete this. Keep the shots nice and neat. And this is what we're looking at right now. Move over quickly to the hourly time frame. And this is how this week's price action went. Sort of. It's very, 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 very choppy market conditions this week. I'll be honest, there's something that I was actively looking to take trades this week, but I just told myself this is not conditions I'd want to risk my capital in. Not at all, man. I mean, we've got a porch of buy stops, sell stops taken, rally into this area, but it's just not. It's just not. Stops taken. It's just not. It's just not good. This week was just not good, guys. I'll be honest. I never took any trades this week. I never put anything at risk this week. And yeah, we'll just wait and see how it pans out for the next following week. I do believe that we're in for a short-term relief rally to the upside, but then overall, we're aiming for sell stops. So yeah, that being said, guys, 5538 is my next point of interest. Aiming for a low-hanging fruit, but the overall target once we get a break of 538 is 5499. So basically 500. So with that being said, I'm gonna round it off. Love and leave you guys. Peace.